Good morning, dear students. Today we are here to continue the same chapter of GSC which we have started last day. Do you remember the name of the chapter? The name of the chapter was Force, Work and Energy. Today we will discuss the same chapter and we have discussed about the energy, and today we will discuss about the types of energy. But before that, let's revise the definition for the energy. Energy is the capacity to exert force. What is energy? Energy is the capacity to exert force. Here we will discuss about the types of energy. We see various forms of energy in our daily life, such as heat energy, light energy, electrical energy, sound energy, mechanical energy, magnetic energy and chemical energy. Let's discuss about them one by one. First of all, we will discuss about the heat energy. Let's see about the heat energy. Heat energy is used to drive engines. Light energy enables us to see. What does light energy do? Light energy enables us to see. To see anything. If I want to see your face, this writing, this classroom, light energy is used. In darkness we cannot see anything. Can we see anything? No. Electric energy drives machines like the fan, train, etc. This tube light is glowing because there is which energy? Electric energy. Fan runs because there is electric energy. So this electric energy is used to drive machines. Now, sound energy. What this sound energy does? Sound energy enables us to hear. You can hear my voice because there is sound energy. Chemical energy, and the food contains chemical energy which help us to work. We can work, I can speak, I can teach, you can study because we have taken the food which is converted into such vitamins and proteins which we have taken is converted into chemical energy and which enable us to do work. One form of energy can be converted into another form of energy. We can convert one form of energy into another form of energy. One example I will explain you. Electric energy in an electric lamp changes into heat energy. First of all, it changes into heat energy, then to light energy. The energy of the running water in a river is changed into electric energy. This the electric energy which is there in an electric lamp is changed into which energy? Light energy. Similarly, heat and light energy. Similarly, the energy of running water that is in a river, it is changed into electric energy. Okay, this is about the types of energy. Now we will study about the sources of energy, from where we get the different types of energies and how it helps us. Let's discuss about the sources of energy. Sources of energy. Let's discuss about them. Sources of energy. Sources of energy. We get energy from various sources, and some important of them we will discuss here. First of all, the energy which we get from the sun. What is it called? All of you are aware about this energy and you know the name. That energy is known as the energy which we get from the sun is solar energy. Which energy? Solar energy. Solar energy. The sun is the ultimate source of energy. It is a natural source of energy, and energy from the sun is called the solar energy. Can be directly used to do different types of work. What are they? We can light the bulb, we can run the fans and different type of machines, solar cooker and so many other applications of this energy is being seen in our daily life. Plants use solar energy to make food. Human beings and animals depends on the plants for their food to get energy to live. This solar energy is used in the process of photosynthesis, and we know that this photosynthesis is the process of what? Making the food for the plants. And indirectly we also depend on the solar energy to get the food, because we depend completely on the these plants for having our food. Solar cookers, solar panels and solar calculators work with the help of this solar energy. This is the use of this energy. Next source is the wind. From wind also we get the energy. Let's see how. From wind, which energy we get? From wind we get tidal energy. Okay? Moving air is called the wind. Moving air is called the wind. Any object that is moving has energy in it. Suppose if I am moving, I am walking because I have energy in myself. Any machine or anything which is moving is having energy in it. When the wind blows, it causes the blades of the windmill to turn. The blades of windmill turns due to this wind, due to this moving air, and the blades are connected to a drive shaft that turns an electric generator to produce the electricity, by which we get the energy from the wind. Okay, and what is that called? It is not given in our book, but you should know. Tidal energy. Okay, tidal energy, the energy which we get from the wind is called the tidal energy. Now, let's see how we get the energy from this. This is known as the tidal energy. Let's see how we get the energy from the water. Let's discuss about them. Water falling from a height that has a vast store of energy in it. We know now that if any object is standing in its rest position, not moving, then also it has stored energy. When it flows, it is being converted into the kinetic energy. Okay, we will study in the next class about them in detail. Dams are built on rivers to use the power of flowing water to generate electricity. Dams are built over the river in order to generate the electricity. Dams do not have only single purpose to generate electricity. It is used for multi-purpose like controlling the floods and different other issues. But here we are discussing about the energy. That's why I told that dams are built over the river to generate the electricity. So the energy which we get from the water is called the tidal energy. Tidal energy. Now, we get the energy from fuels also. Fuels like coal, oil, wood, gas or petrol have energy stored in them. They release energy when we burn them. When we burn these fuels, they release energy and produce heat and light also. So these are the different sources of energy. These are the different sources of energy which we have discussed here. Now we have finished the chapter. Now all of you get ready with your pencil and book for doing the exercise of the book. All of you take page number 82 in the book. All of you take page number 82 in the book. See the exercise which we are discussing in the class, you have to do in the book itself. I will send this in PDF form also, but the one word answers you have to do in the book, and from this chapter give 2 examples for each of the following and answer the following. This you have to do in the notebook. Okay, copy. And this exercise A, fill in the blanks, and exercise B, tick the correct answer you have to do in the book. Okay. Now let's do this. Exercise A, fill in the blanks. Exercise A is fill in the blanks. You have to do it in the book. From next year you will get the chance for writing with pen, but this year you have to write with the pencil itself. Okay. Let's start the exercise. First question. A force which slows down a moving object is called dash force. Which force? Frictional force. Let's write frictional force. Frictional force. You have to write just frictional. 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 Frictional force. Now question number 2. A dash is like a double inclined plane. A dash is like a double inclined plane. And the answer is wedge. W-E-D-Z-E. W-E-D-Z-E. Wedge. So a wedge is like a double inclined plane. What is this spelling, my dear students? Wedge. W-E-D-Z-E. Now question number 3. A pulley has a dash wheel with a rope or cable round it. A pulley has a dash wheel with a rope or cable round it. So which type of wheel? Grooved wheel. G-R-O-O-V-E-D. Grooved. G-R-O-O-V-E-D. A pulley has a grooved wheel with a rope or cable around it. The spelling is G-R-O-O-V-E-D. Okay. See the spelling also, because this comes in the form of, in the examination, no? This comes in the form of one word answer, and if you make a spelling mistake, you are not going to get any marks for this. So spelling is must. You have to write correct spelling. Question number 4. Dash is the capacity to exert force. Now only I thought you know, energy is the capacity to exert force. E-N-E-R-G-Y. E-N-E-R-G-Y. Energy is the capacity to exert force. What is the spelling of this? E-N-E-R-G-Y. Now question number 5. Question number 5 is plants use dash energy to make food. Plants use dash energy to make food. Today only we discussed about this solar energy. S-O-L-A-R. Solar energy. You can also write sun's energy. Sun's energy is called the solar energy. So we are writing solar energy. Plants use solar energy to cook the food or to make the food. Spelling is S-O-L-A-R. Now exercise B we will discuss. Exercise B is pick the correct answer. First question is, we cannot push or pull a thing without using trolley. First option is trolley. Second one force. Third one handle. Which is the correct answer, my dear students? We cannot push or pull a thing without using force. So second option is correct, and you have to put a tick mark in the second box. F-O-R-C-E. Force. What is correct answer? F-O-R-C-E. Force. Question number 3. It is used to lift or move. Question number 2. Gravity is the force which pulls things to the dash. We have 3 options here. Earth, sun and moon. Which is the correct answer? First option is correct. Earth. Gravity is the force which pulls things to the earth. So you have to put a tick mark in the first box. Earth is the correct answer. Now question number 3. It is used to lift or move heavy objects by using a bar, dash. Again we have 3 options. Pulley, inclined plane and lever. What are the options? Pulley, inclined plane and lever. And here the last option is correct. Lever is the correct option, and you have to put a mark in the last box. Okay, now question number 4. Question number 4 is, a slide is an example of dash. We have 3 options: pulley, screw and inclined plane. Which is the correct answer? Slide is an example of inclined plane. Last option is correct here, and we have to put a tick mark in the last box. I N C L I N A D P L A N E, inclined plane. Clear? Now the last question of this exercise. The energy of the running water in a river is changed into dash. First option electric energy, second option magnetic energy, and third option chemical energy. Which is the correct answer, my dear students? Today only we discussed, and now only answer is the electric energy. First option is correct, and we have to put a tick mark in the first box. Electric energy, electric energy, electric energy. So this is the answer. Electric energy is the correct answer. The energy of the running water in a river is changed into electric energy. This is the correct answer. Remaining 2 exercises you can do from the PDF. I will send it as early as possible. For the time being, for today, this much is enough. Do this much, revise this much. We will meet next with the next chapter. Thank you, class.